There is a lot to learn, especially as the body of knowledge is constantly changing and growing. We cannot conceivably cover every possible technique or situation. Even if you're working on a project dealing with whatever hypothetical example we might use, the way you manage it in the real world may be completely different than how I explain it. The same project could be managed in 100 variations. Project management is more like a choose-your-own-adventure novel than a traditional novel with a strict beginning, middle, and end.
Right. So here's another analogy. I like to think of what you're going to learn as a mental toolbox. Every new item you learn about as we progress can be added to your toolbox. If you already learned it or experienced it, think of it as relearning, or as cleaning and oiling your tool, or getting a brand new one with all the new features.
I think the toolbox analogy is a good one because you not only need to learn what the tools are and how they're used, you must also know what the best time is to use the tool and when not to use it. Good carpenters know which tools to use in certain situations. They do not need to use every tool in every project they take on. They must know what tools are available to them. They must know how the tools work. In practice, a carpenter might be perfectly capable doing everything with a hammer and nails, but I'm guessing a better carpenter can utilize more tools. Likewise, you may think, I don't need to know this. I'll never use it. Fine, no problem. But it is good to know about the option. You never know when it could come in handy. Now that we've set the stage, we can begin filling in the details. The more you learn, the more and more it will all make sense.
We've laid out the path and the topics we will cover. Those topics are spread out and presented in their own course. Remember that Agile project management is more of a discipline or philosophy than a step-by-step instruction manual. Topics cannot be perfectly sliced into small, digestible pieces. Topics blend together. They rely on each other. And you can use the components in much the same way or in a variety of ways.
You may progress through the course in any order you wish. We've done our best to lay out the most logical path through the content, but feel free to jump around and focus more time on those areas where you know you need more time and attention. We hope you enjoy this training, and good luck as you begin your Agile project management journey.